What you are about to witness is a story of sheer will, hidden in plain sight. It begins where the row ends and the struggle for survival begins. A lone figure faces an impossible task against the raw power of nature. Every detail unveils a deeper story of resilience you won't expect. Stay with us, as a transformative journey is about to unfold. Suddenly, the hope of rescue appears on the horizon. But the path forward is a treacherous one, testing both man and machine. In unity, they find the strength to confront the challenge head-on. Harnessing raw power, the battle to reclaim what was lost intensifies. At the heart of the struggle lies a single, unyielding point of resistance. With combined effort, they push against the immovable object. Ingenuity becomes their greatest tool in this desperate moment. A careful inspection reveals the true extent of the damage. Together, they search for the hidden weakness within the machine. Slowly, progress is made against the unforgiving terrain. A triumphant moment as the vehicle emerges from its muddy prison. Freedom is finally achieved as it moves on to solid ground once more. The arduous process of liberation continues step by step. On the path to recovery, every inch forward is a victory. The journey is finally able to resume, the ordeal now memory. The long road home begins, a solitary journey through the wilderness. She navigates the rugged path, her focus unwavering. A sense of isolation hangs in the air, surrounded by the vast forest. Ahead, her companion forges onward, conquering the steep inclines. The landscape opens up, revealing a breathtaking and expansive vista. Yet another challenge rises, testing the limits of endurance. The journey comes to an unexpected halt, a new problem emerges. Trouble strikes again, forcing her to confront a mechanical failure. With patient hands, she begins to diagnose the engine's hidden ailment. A focused determination guides her as she delves into the intricate mechanics. Each component is carefully removed, revealing the heart of the machine. Precision and skill are on display with every turn of the wrench. She meticulously inspects every wire, searching for the source of the breakdown. Her expertise shines through as she works tirelessly to restore power. The final pieces are examined before the engine is brought back to life. With practiced ease, she begins the reassembly process. The moment of truth arrives as she completes her masterful repair. With a hopeful turn, the engine roars back to life, a sound of triumph. A smile of relief and accomplishment graces her face as she drives on. Reunited, they continue their journey, a testament to her unyielding spirit. The intricate dance of mechanics begins with a delicate touch. Deep within the machine, a complex world of gears and wires is unveiled. A hidden talent for mechanics reveals itself in the middle of nowhere. Each part fits together like a puzzle, a symphony of engineering. Years of neglect and rust are carefully stripped away. A forgotten component is removed, holding the key to the engine's silence. The process of purification begins, washing away the grime of the past. With a gentle brush, life is breathed back into the old metal. The restored carburetor gleams, ready to fuel the engine once more. Carefully, the revitalized part is returned to its home within the engine. Final adjustments are made, ensuring a perfect and seamless fit. A sense of satisfaction comes with a job well done. The old tricycle stands ready, a symbol of resilience and restoration. Their work is not yet done. A new task awaits them. Another machine in need of transport requires their assistance. With coordinated strength, they load their precious cargo. Even a modern electric bike is no match for the power of the old tricycle. The load is secure, a testament to their careful planning. Ready for the next leg of the journey, they prepare to depart. The gears of the old machine tell a story of countless miles traveled. The weight of her world rests on her shoulders, a burden she carries alone. Beneath the surface, a critical failure threatens to halt her progress. She must carve a new path, creating a solution from the earth itself. Rusted metal and faded paint tell a story of a long and difficult life. Disaster strikes, and her world is turned upside down. Undeterred, she attempts to restart her journey against all odds. Her skilled hands navigate the tangled mess of old wires. The complex electrical system is a puzzle she must solve. With surgical precision, she mends the broken connection. Even the smallest comforts must be carefully maintained. The heavy labor of her livelihood continues despite the setbacks. The earth itself seems determined to hold her back. Elsewhere, another soul finds herself stranded and lost. She begins the painstaking task of assessing the vehicle's condition. In this remote place, a call for help is her only hope. Salvation arrives in the form of a familiar blue tractor. The rescue mission begins, navigating the challenging landscape. The journey to the stranded vehicle is an ordeal in itself. The rescuer presses on, determined to reach the one in need. A story of hope concludes as help finally reaches its destination. Trapped by the wilderness, two people fight to free their captured vehicle. The abandoned car sits silently, a monument to a journey interrupted. A lone hero emerges, piloting his machine through the mist. The complex operation to retrieve the vehicle is about to begin. Dragged from the brush, the car begins its slow journey back to civilization. Across the open fields, the procession moves with quiet determination. Through the heart of the village, the rescued car is brought home. The mission is complete as the car arrives safely at the small house. Preparations for the next phase begin, turning raw wood into fuel. With vital supplies in hand, she approaches the dormant vehicle. Inside the weathered interior, she attempts to coax the engine back to life. The car's fuel pump, old and stained, is the focus of her attention. Beneath the hood, an old engine awaits a skilled and gentle touch. The spark plugs, the very heart of the engine, are carefully laid out. tools of the trade rest upon the engine, ready for the delicate work ahead. The process of dismantling begins, one piece at a time. In the peaceful countryside, a complex mechanical surgery is underway. A vital connection is carefully detached from the engine block. With steady hands, she probes the intricate workings of the carburetor. The resurrected vehicle moves once more, a triumph of ingenuity. The delicate process of revival begins deep within the engine's core. This old fuel pump holds the secret to the car's silence. With meticulous care, each screw is loosened, unveiling the parts within. The pump is gently liberated from its long-time home. Now, the crucial work of cleaning and restoration can begin. Every small passage is cleared, ensuring the flow of life can return. She examines her work, her concentration absolute and unwavering. The reassembly is a slow and precise dance of hands and tools. The rejuvenated pump is carefully guided back into its rightful place. Each bolt is tightened, securing the heart of the fuel system. The final layers of the engine are pieced back together. With a satisfying click, the air filter cover secure. The engine, once silent, now stands complete and ready. Even the tires are given new life, filled with air and hope. Before a humble home, a remarkable transformation has taken place. Layers of mud and grime are washed away, revealing the car beneath. Through the clean glass, the world outside looks brighter. Her hard work pays off as the car's true colors begin to emerge. The final remnants of its difficult journey are washed away forever. A tranquil scene marks the peaceful conclusion to an arduous task. A turn of the key represents a moment of hope against experience. Stranded and burdened, she contemplates her next move in the dense woods. Inside the silent car, a feeling of quiet desperation sets in. She stands before the captured vehicle, alone with her problem. In the heart of the forest, she reaches out for a lifeline. From a distance, they survey the daunting scene before them. Through the wilderness, the promise of help draws nearer. The rescue vehicle carves its path towards the immobilized car. Together, they apply their strength, attempting to break the car free. The old car bears the scars of its entrapment in the wild. The powerful tractor begins to pull the car from its leafy cage. Slowly but surely, the vehicle is towed back towards the path. The journey out of the woods is a careful and deliberate process. As they emerge from the forest, the open landscape welcomes them. The final destination is in sight, a safe haven for the broken-down car. She prepares for the next phase of work, the mechanical revival. Under the open hood, she begins her inspection of the silent engine. The car is given the fuel it needs to have a chance at rebirth. The engine's complex interior is a landscape of metal and wires. An error in description occurs here, yet the story of repair continues. The deconstruction begins, removing the essential spark plugs. Old and worn, these plugs tell a story of long-ignored maintenance. The tools for the job lie in wait, ready to assist the mechanic's hands. A skilled hand prepares to continue the intricate mechanical work. A specialized tool is placed, ready for the next step in the process. Every wire and hose is checked, searching for the source of failure. A crucial fluid line is carefully disconnected from the main engine. Her steady hand guides the pliers in the tight confines of the engine bay. The fuel pump itself is now the focus, the suspected culprit. The faulty pump is finally removed, ready for inspection and repair. Outside the vehicle, she prepares a basin for cleaning the delicate parts. With a small tool, she meticulously cleans the carburetor's tiny jets. A breath of air is used to clear the final debris from the engine part. She pauses, contemplating the complex piece in her hands. Another component is removed as she continues her diagnostic work. A tiny clit is carefully detached, releasing a key part of the mechanism. The clean air filter is installed, allowing the engine to breathe again. The moment of truth has arrived as she turns the key in the ignition. A look of thoughtful concern is on her face as she waits. The repaired engine stands as a testament to her skill and patience. Her work begins, preparing the tools for the car's restoration. With each pump, she breathes new life and strength into the tire. Now, she turns her attention to washing away the memory of the ordeal. A powerful stream of water blasts away the layers of dirt and mud. With a soft cloth, she carefully polishes the car's surface. The front of the car is cleansed, revealing its original shine. No spot is missed as she diligently works to make the car new again. She sits behind the wheel, ready to test the results of her hard labor. The journey continues, a final symbol of her ultimate success. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Miss Mechanic for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoy this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.